Hi Bennett Broncos, this is Mr. Woolner. I wanted to make sure that you had some instructions on how to get onto Seesaw at home so that you can do your schoolwork. The first thing that you are going to need is your parents should have received something that looks like this. This is a sheet that has some codes on it that you need. This gives you instructions on how to get on both on a tablet and on a desktop or laptop. For this video, I'm going to show you how to access it through a desktop or laptop first. So this sheet does have all the instructions, but I will walk you through this here. First of all, you do need to go to this website right here. It is app.seesaw.me. You can also get there through the Bennett website if you click on Students, and then scroll down to the bottom and you will see Seesaw right down there. That will bring you up to the screen right here. And now, as a student, you probably remember we click, of course, on I'm a Student. It has the little picture of different students on here. Click I'm a Student. And it's going to ask you for a couple of things here. For kindergarten, first, and second grade, you should be using a text code. That actually is found on this sheet. Right here in the middle, you have this three group of 4 letters each. This is the code we're going to be looking at here. So with that code, I'm going to come down to where it says text code, and I am going to enter that in. NEVRCNNDLISB, and then I should be able to click go, and it will log me right in. You can see right now this is of course just a test class, but you as the student will be brought right up to your own class. It should have your name right here, and then when your teacher does add something, you may see a video on here, or you may see a message, or you might need to go to activities in order to actually make a response. That's it. It's nice and simple.